Imagine crossing continents inside a true mansion on wheels, surrounded by luxury, technology, and enough raw power to move tons as if they were weightless. Some motorhomes are so gigantic and so sophisticated that they look more like land-based spacecraft built for those who want to see the world without giving up absolute comfort. Some of these machines are larger than entire apartments, while others even hide full garages inside their own structure. And when you discover that many of them are fully custom-made for millionaires who practically live on the road, everything becomes even more impressive. But what turns a regular motorhome into a gigantic and unbelievable piece of engineering? How do these colossal machines manage to carry full homes, spacious living rooms, chef-worthy kitchens, and complete suites without losing performance? Ready to embark on a journey through the largest and most absurd motorhomes ever built? Stay with me, because the first one is already impressive, but the last on this list will surprise you. Brabus Big Boy 1200. The Brabus Big Boy 1200 is the result of a collaboration between Brabus and STX Motorhomes, created to redefine large-scale luxury travel. Measuring 12 meters in length and nearly 3.8 meters in height, it makes a powerful first impression. Its 4 slide-outs expand the interior to over 30 square meters, turning the motorhome into something comparable to a European-style loft. The combination of Brabus's aggressive design and STX's engineering resulted in a vehicle that blends strength, elegance, and total comfort. The 12.8-liter inline 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine delivers 530 horsepower and 2,600 newton-meters of torque. The automatic transmission was designed for heavy loads, offering smooth shifting at all times. Top speed sits around 90 kilometers per hour, and fuel consumption averages between 2.5 and 3 kilometers per liter, typical for a motorhome of this size. Even so, performance remains stable and quiet during long journeys. The full air suspension softens road imperfections, and the 360-degree camera system makes maneuvering easier in tight spaces. The glossy black exterior and LED lighting reinforce its futuristic look. Inside, the Brabus Masterpiece finish brings premium leather, carbon fiber, and adjustable ambient lighting. The fully equipped kitchen, waterfall-style shower, and multiple 4K TVs create a true luxury home experience on wheels. In practical daily use, the Big Boy 1200 is ideal for remote workers or long-term travelers. Its hybrid system with solar panels increases autonomy. One of the first owners even requested a built-in professional video editing station, highlighting how customizable these units can be. No wonder it quickly became a reference among elite travelers. And if this giant already seems extraordinary, the next one raises the bar even higher. Vulnerable Performance S. The Vulnerable Performance S is one of Europe's most luxurious motorhomes, built in Germany with engineering precision and a strong focus on comfort. With about 12 meters in length and 3.7 meters in height, it stands out for its central garage capable of carrying a sports car safely. This unique feature has made it iconic among travelers who want complete mobility upon arrival at their destination. Its 12.8-liter inline-6 turbo diesel engine produces between 450 and 530 horsepower, with torque exceeding 2,000 newton-meters. The automatic transmission ensures smooth shifting, and top speed remains close to 90 kilometers per hour. Fuel consumption ranges from 2.7 to 3 kilometers per liter, especially when carrying a car in the garage. The full air suspension provides a smooth and quiet ride, while the electronic leveling system makes parking effortless. The exterior features subtle lines, premium paintwork, and wide windows for natural lighting. The hydraulic center garage can hold cars like Porsches or Mini Coopers, turning the Performance S into a complete mobile base. Inside, it feels like a modern loft with refined furniture, treated wood, and soft lighting. The living room is cozy, the kitchen well-equipped, and the main suite offers comfort similar to that of a small apartment. During European motorsport events, it's common to see the Performance S serving as a headquarters for drivers and teams, which helps solidify its reputation in the premium motorhome world. If this level of sophistication already seems high, the next one delivers an even more modern approach. Dembel Luxury Motorhome Garage Version.
The Dembel luxury motorhome garage version is one of Europe's most modern designs. Produced in Hungary with clear inspiration from luxury yachts, measuring around 12 meters long and just over 3.7 meters in height, it combines elegance, technology, and practicality. Its rear garage, capable of transporting a compact car, made it popular among travelers seeking top-tier comfort and mobility. The Mercedes-Benz 12.8-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine produces between 450 and 530 horsepower, with torque above 2,000 Newton-meters. The automatic transmission ensures smooth performance during long trips. Top speed is around 90 kilometers per hour, and fuel consumption typically ranges from 2.5 to 3 kilometers per liter. Full air suspension makes the ride quiet and comfortable, and the electronic leveling system adjusts the vehicle quickly when parked. The clean exterior design and large windows give it a refined appearance. The hydraulic rear garage accommodates compact models without compromising interior space. Inside, the Dembel resembles a small land yacht with light wood, elegant lighting, and integrated furnishings. The living room is spacious, the kitchen well-equipped, and the main suite offers residential comfort. During international demonstrations, visitors were surprised to learn that one Dembel unit was delivered with a compact gym area requested by a European client. In practical use, it's favored by business travelers and families spending long periods on the road. Known for its versatility and refined finish. If this refinement impresses, the next model brings classic American road presence.
American Coach, American Dream. The American Coach American Dream is one of the most traditional motorhomes in the United States, combining luxury, durability, and comfort. With 12 meters in length and roughly 3.5 meters in height, it offers generous interior space for long trips. It's highly favored by seasoned travelers who spend months on the road and value a residential feel. It uses an 8.9-liter Cummins inline-six turbo diesel engine, producing about 450 horsepower and over 1,400 Newton-meters of torque. The automatic transmission provides smooth responses. Top speed stays around 90 kilometers per hour, and fuel consumption typically stays between 2.7 and 3 kilometers per liter, depending on weight and terrain. The exterior combines elegance with modern lines and highly durable multi-layer paint. The slide-outs create spacious and well-lit interiors. Inside, materials such as synthetic marble, premium leather, and adjustable lighting make the environment feel like a high-end apartment. The living room is spacious, the kitchen fully equipped, and the bedroom functions as a complete master suite. In practical use, the American Dream is sought after by experienced travelers covering long routes, as well as families who value absolute comfort. It has become a symbol of American luxury on wheels and is frequently cited as one of the best diesel motorhomes ever produced. And if the American Dream represents tradition, the next model combines brutal power with modern elegance. Integra Coach Cornerstone. The Integra Coach Cornerstone is one of the most luxurious motorhomes manufactured in the United States. At nearly 13 meters long and about 3.7 meters tall, it impresses with its physical presence and the premium level of craftsmanship throughout. It has become a reference in the high-end segment by combining strength, refinement, and advanced technology. The Cornerstone is powered by a 15-liter Cummins inline-six turbo diesel engine producing around 600 horsepower and more than 2,800 Newton-meters of torque. The Allison automatic transmission provides excellent smoothness during long journeys. Top speed remains around 90 kilometers per hour, and fuel consumption typically stays between 2 and 3 kilometers per liter, depending on weight and terrain. The exterior combines elegance with modern lines and highly durable multi-layer paint. The slide-outs create spacious and well-lit interiors. Inside, materials such as synthetic marble, premium leather, and adjustable lighting make the environment feel like a high-end apartment. The living room is spacious, the kitchen fully equipped, and the bedroom functions as a complete master suite. In practical use, the Cornerstone is sought after by experienced travelers covering long routes, as well as families who value absolute comfort. It has become a symbol of American luxury on wheels and is frequently cited as one of the best diesel motorhomes ever produced.
And if the American dream represents tradition, the next model combines brutal power with modern elegance.
Tiffin Zephyr. The Tiffin Zephyr is the flagship model of Tiffin Motorhomes, a brand recognized for its handcrafted finishes and durable structures. Measuring just over 13 meters in length and roughly 3.7 meters in height, it offers a spacious, quiet, and extremely comfortable interior. It's designed for extended travel, ideal for those who spend most of the year on the road. It uses a 15-liter Cummins inline-6 turbo diesel engine, producing about 600 horsepower and more than 2,800 newton-meters of torque. The Allison automatic transmission ensures smoothness and durability, especially on long-distance trips. Top speed is around 90 kilometers per hour, while consumption averages between 2 and 2.5 kilometers per liter. Full air suspension contributes to a clean, refined ride. The multi-layer paint exterior is highly resistant, and the slide-outs expand interior space significantly. Inside, the Zephyr impresses with handcrafted furniture, high-quality wood, and ambient lighting. The living room is comfortable, the kitchen complete, and the master suite feels like a compact luxury apartment. Many long-term travelers choose the Zephyr for its reliability. An interesting detail is that some owners customize the rear area into small offices, turning the motorhome into an ideal space for remote work. This level of adaptability helped the Zephyr become a favorite among itinerant professionals. And if the Zephyr already radiates elegance, the next motorhome elevates technology and refinement to another level. Newmar King Air 4531. The Newmar King Air 4531 represents the pinnacle of Newmar's luxury lineup. At nearly 13 meters long and close to 3.9 meters in height, it is considered one of the most complete motorhomes on the market. Its imposing presence and sophisticated interior make it a favorite among high-end travelers. It features a 15-liter Cummins inline-6 turbo diesel engine, producing around 650 horsepower and more than 2,800 newton-meters of torque. The Allison automatic transmission provides smooth and precise shifting. Top speed is close to 90 kilometers per hour, while consumption averages between 2 and 2.5 kilometers per liter. The independent airbag suspension ensures superior comfort. The exterior paint is known for its depth and durability, and the slide-outs create a quiet and spacious interior. Inside, the King Air features porcelain flooring, premium furniture, and a layout designed for maximum comfort. In practical use, the King Air is often chosen by seasoned travelers who want a true residential experience on wheels. Some units have been used as mobile bases at major sporting events, offering private, climate-controlled operational space for entire teams. And if the King Air already radiates elegance, the next model takes exclusivity and customization to the extreme.
New Coach. The New Coach is one of the most exclusive motorhomes in the United States, built almost entirely by hand. Each unit is custom built, meaning no two models are exactly the same. At around 13 meters long and nearly 4 meters tall, it stands out with its imposing presence and interior that rivals high-end homes. It uses 15-liter Cummins turbo diesel engines with power levels exceeding 650 horsepower and torque above 2,800 newton-meters. The Allison automatic transmission delivers smooth shifting and excellent durability. Top speed is about 90 kilometers per hour, and fuel consumption averages between 2 and 3 kilometers per liter, depending on customization and total weight. Independent air suspension ensures a smooth ride, allowing the interior to remain stable even on irregular pavement. The exterior features detailed multi-layer paint, wide windows, and slide-outs that create an extremely spacious interior. Customization options range from expanded closets to full media rooms. In practical use, the New is chosen by travelers who want total exclusivity. One notable build included a professional-grade cinema room with reinforced soundproofing, which went viral among luxury vehicle enthusiasts. This creative freedom helped establish New as a symbol of ultimate personalization. And if the New represents the peak of exclusivity, the next motorhome stands out for its robustness and use in international tours. Post H345 Featherlight Coach. The The Post H345 Featherlight coach is one of the most imposing motorhomes in the United States. Built on the renowned Post executive bus chassis, at 13 meters long and nearly 4 meters tall, it is known for its strong presence and outstanding acoustic insulation. The Featherlight version adds premium interiors and advanced technology, turning it into a true luxury apartment on wheels. Its engine can be either the Volvo D13 or the Detroit Diesel Inline 6, both around 13 liters and producing roughly 515 horsepower. High torque ensures effortless movement, while the Allison automatic transmission adds smoothness. Top speed remains around 90 kilometers per hour, and fuel consumption averages 2.7 to 3 kilometers per liter. The independent air suspension ensures exceptional comfort, and the taller exterior increases internal space and visibility. The slide-outs create wide, quiet living areas. Inside, custom-made furniture, premium lighting, and high-end appliances build a luxurious residential environment. In practical use, the H345 is popular among celebrities, entrepreneurs, and sports teams who need privacy and comfort during long tours. Some Featherlight models were even commissioned to accompany professional golf championships, serving as mobile bases for professional athletes across multiple states. And if the Post already seems extreme, the next motorhome represents the absolute peak of futuristic extravagance.
Marquee Mobile Element Palazzo. The Marquee Mobile Element Palazzo is widely considered the most extravagant motorhome ever built. Produced in Austria, it combines futuristic design, unique solutions, and a level of luxury rarely seen in any road vehicle. At about 12 meters in length and nearly 4 meters in height, its rounded silhouette and panoramic windshield make it impossible to ignore. Its Mercedes-based inline-6 turbo diesel engine produces around 500 horsepower and enough torque to move its massive structure confidently. Top speed stays near 90 kilometers per hour, and fuel consumption varies between 2.7 and 3 kilometers per liter. The automatic transmission provides stable, relaxed driving, ideal for long-distance travel. Full air suspension keeps the vehicle level, and electronic assistance system supports steering and braking. The exterior features one of the most futuristic designs ever seen on a motorhome, with metallic paint, aerodynamic curves, and wide windows. Its highlight is the Sky Lounge, a retractable rooftop terrace that elevates to create a premium outdoor space. Inside, it uses premium leather, sophisticated ambient lighting, and custom-made furnishings. The living room is spacious, the kitchen complete, and the master suite surpasses the standard of many five-star hotels. One early owner requested yacht-inspired interior elements, helping the Palazzo become a favorite among ultra-wealthy clients seeking something truly unique. In practice, the Element Palazzo is built for those who demand absolute exclusivity. Each unit reinforces its status as one of the most iconic luxury motorhomes ever created. Today, we explored the largest, most luxurious, and most impressive motorhomes ever created. Models that pushed engineering, comfort, and extravagance to levels many people don't even imagine exist on wheels. From fully customized machines like the new coach to futuristic works of art like the Element Palazzo, each showed that living on the road can be as comfortable as living in a high-end residence. These vehicles reveal how technology and creativity have transformed travel, bringing efficiency, luxury, and freedom to new dimensions. These motorhomes are not just vehicles, they are cultural symbols, representations of how people seek new ways to live, work, and enjoy life. They prove that it's entirely possible to cross entire countries while carrying the comfort of a complete home with space, privacy, and amenities many hotels cannot match. They inspire admiration and remind us that there is a whole world waiting to be explored. Now, tell me in the comments, which of these motorhomes would you like to see up close? Which one caught your attention for its design or technology? And which one would you choose for a long road trip? If you enjoyed this kind of content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell.
This is extremely important for the channel's growth because it signals to YouTube that our content is relevant and helps it reach more people. Stay tuned because every week we bring new videos about the most incredible machines that dominate the roads, the extremes, and the world of mobile luxury travel. See you in the next video.